Welcome to this week's episode. So yesterday we had our little event. It was a Monday public holiday, so we thought we'd do a car show. So it called Caffeine and Gasoline. We had about 100 cars from what I can tell. I got a bit stuck in the shop. So I've taken a few photos and video and that sort of stuff, and yeah, probably a couple of minutes worth just covering what I got to see. But if you jump on our Facebook page, a couple of photographers and a couple of other guys probably got more cars than I did. So just jump on the shop Facebook page and you can check them out. So check out the episode. Enjoy.